Okay, 5 discs fit exactly into a rectangular frame of width 20. Find the area of the remaining space. So we know the width of the frame, but we don't know the height. But we know that all across it must be 20. So we know that each one of these diameters must be 10, which means each radius must be 5. So the area of one circle, is equal to pi r squared, which is pi times 5 to be squared, which is 25 pi. Now we can see there's 5 of those circles, so the area of all the circles is 25 pi multiplied by 5, which is 125 pi. So to find the remaining space, we just need to find the area of the full rectangle and take the circles away. The problem is we don't know the height. We can't just add all the circles down because we can see they overlap here a little bit. So we've gaps missing, so we don't know the exact length. We can't just add all the radiuses together. However, what we can do is we can use the information we have on the inside. So for example, I know the distance from here to here has to be 5 centimeters. So if I create another triangle inside in there, if I can find the distance from here to the center, I've got the exact. If I can find the distance from that black line, I can add it to 5 to find the full length, and I can create a right angle triangle there. I know that this is 5 here, and I know from here to here is 5, and here to here is 5, so I know this length is 10. So I can find, let's call this h here, I can find that h. So 10 is the hypotenuse, so 10 squared equals 5 squared plus h squared. So h is going to be the square root of 10 squared minus 5 squared. So the square root of 10 squared minus 5 squared, and that gives me 5 root 3. So h is 5 root 3. So what have I found out there? Well, I now know that the length from here to here is 5 root 3. The length from there to the top corresponds to the radius of a circle, so that's 5. So then here to here will also be 5 root 3, and here to here will be 5. So the length of that circle is 5 plus 5 root 3 plus 5 plus 5 root 3. 9 plus 5 equals, so that's 10 plus 10 root 3. So that's the length of one of the sides. It's that length there. So the total area of that rectangle is 20 multiplied by 10 plus 10 root 3. And that gives me 546.41. So that's the area of the entire rectangle. So to find the empty space, I'll just take away the area of the circles. So minus 125 pi. And that remaining area is 153.71 centimeters squared.